All right, so we're gonna start off with my Anastasia Dipbrow in Granite. Just gonna fill in the eyebrows. And I'm gonna go in with an angled brush. Then we're gonna clean up the eyebrows with some concealer and a flat eyeliner brush. Going in with Soft Ochre eyeshadow primer by MAC. And we're just gonna use a nice flat eyeshadow brush for this. Now we're gonna go in with a nice light brown eyeshadow. It's called Soft Brown by MAC. And this is gonna be our lightest eyeshadow color. Start down towards the end of the eyelid. Slowly work our way up. You want most of the darkness to be towards the outer corner of your eye, and slowly come up. I'm gonna go with a color called Saddle by MAC. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a denser brush now. Again, on the outer edge of your eye, and then slowly blending your way up into the crease and into the inner eye. And for our last smokier eyeshadow, we're gonna go with a color called Folie by MAC. Again, with a smaller, denser brush. That way we have a little bit more control of where our eyeshadow will be going. And on the eyelid now, we will be going in with Copper on the Kat Von D Shade and Light eye palette. Obviously, I love this color. There's already a nice big hole in there. And with the same brush we used to apply our eyeshadow primer, we are going to be applying that eyeshadow. And I'm actually gonna wet my brush a little bit with some Fix Plus Spray by MAC. That way it grabs the eyeshadow just a little bit more. We get a little bit more of an intense look, but without it being too much. We're gonna place that right here, and we're gonna work our way towards the middle of the eyelid. And then we're gonna go in with a color called Antiqued by MAC as well. I love this color. It's such a pretty bronzy brown, such an easy color to transition with from like a sparkly eyeshadow to a matte eyeshadow, I like to just sprinkle some right in between the two very lightly with a nice fluffy brush from the bottom of the eye lash line all the way up towards the top where our crease starts. And slowly, circular motions, just blend the two together. We're going to do some winged eyeliner here, going in with Black Track by MAC. This is a gel eyeliner. Since this is going to be an everyday look, I don't want to do too big of a wing. Just something that will kind of lift my eye a little bit. Look pretty in pictures if I decide to take some selfies. And now going in with some skincare, I'm going to go in with my Fix Plus spray and just spray my face lightly just to kind of trap some moisture onto the skin. Then I'm going to go in with some moisturizer and we're going to go in with Tatcha's water cream. Then we're going to go in with our IT Cosmetics skin primer. This is the oil-free makeup gripping base. And just to give my skin a little bit more of a dewy feel, I'm going to go in with the Tatcha's Dewy Skin Mist. Going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in a green color just to cancel out some of the redness here. Now going in with some concealer. This is NARS Creamy, Radiant Creamy Concealer. Then going in with NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. Lightweight highlighting with the same concealer that we used under the eyebrow. Just a little bit here. Gonna go in with some translucent powder. Gonna go in with some bronzer now, just to give the skin a little bit of shape and color. Something light. Again, this is going to be an everyday look, so nothing too crazy. With that same brown that we used in our middle transition color, we're going to do that down here in the lower lash line. And now we're going to dust off the translucent powder. Going in with a nice natural peachy blush. This guy's called MELBA by MAC. Tutorials. Super pretty. It's called Glow Goals. So I did put my lashes on, some mascara, and then I went in with CORK lip liner by MAC. I'm here, and then I'm gonna kind of blend it in with a very light pink eyeliner. This one is by Pale Pink by NYX. Just gonna slowly blend this guy in here. And then to top it off, we're gonna go in with MIDIMAUVE by MAC. A little setting spray to top it all off. And this is the final look. Super easy, super pretty. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.